Good evening, everyone. Hi, this is Aniket Vijay, train with Anik. So this today's the first session is more about the basics whenever you want to transform yourself. So how would you, like what are the basics that you would like you should know to understand them so that you would be able to implement it on your body, right? Because every human body is unique, okay, and you would know what is good for you once you start implementing it, राइट व्हाट इज राइट व्हाट इज रॉन्ग बिकॉज क्या होता है कि जो आप कोई डाइट अगर किसी से लेते हो या फिर यू नो टेक एनी न्यूट्रिशन प्लान और एनीथिंग लाइक दैट okay it is like almost going to give you a good result, but if you don't understand the basics and the concept, why are you taking that diet, or why are you able to not get results? These are the questions that you would arise. But if you understand the basics, you would able to implement those changes on yourself, and it will help you to give you optimal and guaranteed results. And that's how basically all these transformations that people have done in the past, and that's how they are working. Okay, so today I'm going to talk more about the basics of the organ system, how the digestion works, how what is the basics of hormones, like different types of hormones and etc., and what are their roles. Okay, I'm also sharing the slides over here, so take the notes from there. So today the first thing that we're going to talk about is basically what is science. Okay, like let's understand, right? It is a systematically organized body of knowledge. So science को कोई change नहीं कर सकता, right? मतलब जो defined है वो है. What are cells? Okay, cells are basically the building blocks of all living things. ठीक है. The human body is composed of trillions of cells, right? That's how like the entire like how an organism is created, right? So basically क्या होता है, एक सेल होता है, ठीक है, सेल से बनते हैं ऑर्गन्स, राइट? सॉरी सॉरी, सेल्स, एक सेल होता है, सेल से बनते हैं टिश्यूज, टिश्यूज से बनते हैं ऑर्गन्स, ऑर्गन से बनते हैं ऑर्गन सिस्टम से बनता है एक ऑर्गेनिज्म, like a living, right? So this is how the structure is. And moving on, what are the organ systems? So we have multiple organ systems. So number one is muscle skeletal system. Basically the stability and the movement of the body is dependent on muscle skeletal system, right? And the other one is the digestive system that controls your digestion, absorbs nutrient and etc. from whatever you eat. And the next is the excretory system, wherein all the waste is been eliminated and all the unwanted like unwanted thing from whatever you eat is thrown out of your body, okay, which your body doesn't require. And the other one is the endocrine system basically kya hota hai, it's related to hormone. Okay, so growth of the body, regulation of, and regulation and maintenance of the normal life. So stress hormone ho gaya, growth hormone ho gaya, thyroid hormone ho gaya, ye sare, there are so many different types of hormonal uh, reactions happening within your body, right? तो इस सब को कहते हैं एंडोक्राइन सिस्टम. नेक्स्ट होता है कार्डियोवास्कुलर सिस्टम, which is your heart. Okay, substance, so transport of substance between the organs like blood and oxygen, which is supplied between the organs, which is required to each and every part of your body, is called as cardiovascular system. Next is respiratory system. So supply of oxygen and removal of carbon dioxide is the function of the respiratory system. Okay, and the last one is the nervous system basically controls your pain, your other activities, including any intellectual functions, and your locomotion, etc., right? So this is controlled by your nervous system. So this is like just मतलब I'm sure कि आपको ये सारी चीजें पता है, but once we go through this, like it is really very important for us to understand कि मतलब आपके body में कौन सी चीज क्या काम कर रही है, and when you start transforming, what changes happens, you will able to relate this to your transformation. Okay, so next let me take you through the nervous system in detail. So basically nervous system is your body's command center, like it's like an engine, right? So originating from your brain. Okay, it controls your movements, it controls your thoughts, your emotions. Your nervous system is use a specialized cell called neurons. Okay, so neurons क्या होते हैं? न्यूरॉन्स बेसिकली एक सिग्नल सेंड करने वाला एक प्रोसेस होता है जहाँ पे वो आपके ब्रेन को सिग्नल भेजता है कि ठीक है, अब मुझे फॉर एग्जांपल इफ आई हैव टू पिक अप समथिंग, राइट, सो दैट एक्शन हैज टू बी coming, right? So that is called as the electrical signal is called as neuron. Okay, then your brain, your skin, your organ, glands and muscles. Okay, skeletal system hota hai. Skeletal system is your body's central framework. It consists of bones and connectivity tissues. Okay, so basically skeletal के system क्या होता है, मतलब जो हमारे bones हैं उसको कहते हैं skeletal system, और वो कनेक्ट होते हैं हमारे टिश्यूज से, ठीक है, जिसको कहते हैं स्केलेटल मसल्स, राइट, टेंडन्स, लिगामेंट्स एक्सेट्रा। ठीक है, तो ये है स्केलेटल सिस्टम, और जिसके साथ मसल अटैच होता है उसको कहते हैं मस्कुलेटल सिस्टम। Alright, so the next one we have is neuromuscular system. Okay, now what is neuromuscular system? Depending upon the skeletal muscle attached to the bones by the tendons or either side, cardiac muscle, okay, muscles of the heart, so the heart से जो connected muscles हमारे रहते हैं which are involuntary muscles, they are called cardiac muscle. Smooth muscle, main unit of walls or vesical organs, depending on control. Voluntary muscle, so controlled by will. For example, I can flex my bicep, I can flex my chest, I can flex my shoulders. These are all voluntary and willful. I can make movements to my hand. These are all called as voluntary muscles. ठीक है, the interaction between the nerves and the muscles that produces the force to, सो बेसिकली जब कोई भी एक्शन हम वॉलंटरी करते हैं तो उसे कहते हैं वॉलंटरी मोमेंट, राइट? फॉर एग्जाम्पल एनी एक्शन दैट वी वॉन्ट टू डू, आई वॉन्ट टू टाइप हियर, आई वॉन्ट टू रीड हियर राइट नाउ, इज ऑल्सो एन एक्शन, राइट, जिसके लिए एक सिग्नल सेंड होता है और एक जो मेरा मसल है वो यूज होता है टू गो एड एंड फिनिश दिस एक्शन। आई हैव टू टेक माई हेड डाउन एंड रीड ओवर हियर, राइट? सो दैट इज वन ऑफ द एक्शन, जस्ट एन एग्जाम्पल। उसके बाद है मसल, सो ईच मसल फाइबर कंटेन्स, सो व्हाट इज मसल? So each muscle fiber contains hundreds to thousands of microfibrils. Okay, they are composed of many sarcomers joined end to end, which gives muscle a striated appearance. Myofibrils contains two primary protein filaments that are responsible for muscle contraction. Actin, a thin filament, and one is myosin. Actin and myosin. So which so actin and myosin. So actin, which is a thin filament, and myosin, which is a thick filament, contains protein, 50% of your protein content, okay, of any muscle cell. Okay, next is cardiovascular system. It is a closed system through which blood flows throughout the body, nutrients and oxygen to the tissues. It removes any kind of waste and carbon dioxide, and it also pumps the blood into the blood vessels, and blood vessels circulates the blood throughout the body. Okay, ये है काम cardiovascular system का. Now the next that we have is respiratory system. What is respiratory system? So respiration is the process by which, it's basic, right? It's a process in which जहाँ पे हम ऑक्सीजन अंदर लेते हैं और कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड बाहर छोड़ते हैं. That's the function of the respiratory system. So types of respiration: external respiration, जिसमें involve है हमारे exchange of gases between the lungs and the blood, is external respiration. Internal respiration भी होता है जहाँ पे involves exchange of gases between bloods and tissues. So इनसाइड ऑल्सो जो हमारे जो ब्लड्स और टिश्यूज है जहाँ पे ऑक्सीजन सप्लाई हो रहा है और कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड जहाँ पे ऑक्सीजन सप्लाई हो रहा है, दैट प्रोसेस इज कॉल्ड एज इंटरनल रेस्पिरेशन. नेक्स्ट इज द एक्सक्रीटरी सिस्टम. The excretory system is a passive biological system that removes excess unnecessary materials from the body fluids of an organism. Okay, to help maintain internal chemical homeostasis and prevent damage to the body. तो बेसिकली क्या होता है कि मतलब जब भी हम कुछ खाते हैं एंड देर आर सर्टन थिंग्स दैट आर नॉट रिक्वायर्ड और एब्सॉर्ब्ड बाय योर बॉडी, सो दे आर फ्लश्ड आउट ऑफ योर बॉडी थ्रू एक्सक्रीटरी सिस्टम. ठीक है, तो दैट इज द वर्क फंक्शन ऑफ द एक्सक्रीटरी सिस्टम. Okay, now the next very important that we all should that we all already know about, and which is one of the important aspect of our system, which is the digestive system. Okay, the human digestive system consists of the gastrointestinal tract plus the accessory organs of digestion. It includes the tongue, the salivary glands, the pancreas, the liver, and the gallbladder. These are one of the major organs of your organ system, which makes the digestive system. So, digestion involves the breakdown of food into smaller and smaller components until they can be absorbed and assimilated to the body. In a human body, the process of digestion is how your body turns the nutrients and the food that you eat, growth and repair of your cells. The anatomy of digestion works, मतलब digestion की एक anatomy अगर मैं explain करना चाहूँ simple way, so the digestion starts from the moment we start eating. Okay, the moment we eat the food, वहां से digestion start होता है, and then it goes until it's been excreted from your body. So this is the entire like the journey of the digestive system. So starts with mouth and ends with your excretory system. Okay, so there are a lot of things between, like होता है आपका esophagus होता है जो helps with the salivary glands to ensure that the saliva, that's why it is very important to chew your food properly. जब आप अपने खाने को अच्छे से chew करोगे, ठीक है, तो उसके न्यूट्रिएंट्स एब्जॉर्प्शन में ज़्यादा हेल्प होगा, ठीक है, बिकॉज सलाइवा इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट टू हेल्प यू डाइजेस्ट द फूड दैट यू ईट. ओके, इसके लिए आपने देखा होगा फैट लॉस में सबसे, अगर first thing that you want to work upon, and that's what even helped me, is that I used to never chew my food properly, and I used to like eat very fast. Okay, like just gulp it. When you're hungry, and when the food is, so when you're hungry and when the food is tasty, आप उसको directly खा लेते हो, मतलब you don't, it's normal, it's fine. But ठीक है, we don't focus much on chewing. ठीक है, इसीलिए if you're eating anything which is high in protein, like anything, you're just eating any food, उसको च्यू करना बहुत ज़रूरी है प्रॉपरली. उससे क्या होता है, इंश्योर होता है दैट योर सलाइवा इज लाइक यूज्ड टू डाइजेस्ट दैट फूड व्हाइल द एंटायर प्रोसेस इज गोइंग ऑन. फिर आता है हमारा बहुत ज़रूरी नेक्स्ट सिस्टम आफ्टर डाइजेस्टिव सिस्टम, जो आता है हमारा नेक्स्ट सिस्टम, दैट इज एंडोक्राइन सिस्टम. The endocrine system is a chemical messenger system comprising feedback loops of hormones released by internal glands of organism directly into the circulatory system, regulating distance target organs. Okay, so endocrine anatomy क्या होती है? Basically आपका hypothalamus हो गया, which is in your brain, like it also has a chemical reaction, right? So it's one of the endocrine anatomy, one endocrine system. So आपका pituitary gland हो गया, फिर आपका pineal gland हो गया, thyroid gland हो गया, which is very important. ठीक है guys, thyroid gland is very important. आपको पता है बहुत लोगों को subclinical thyroid, uh, hypothyroidism hota hai, and then they have to take some medicines, right, thyroxine or etc., that is to ensure to control those hormonal balance of your thyroid, because thyroid is one of a very important hormone which controls a lot of aspects of your complete body. फिर thymus हो गया, pancreas हो गया, adrenal glands हो गए, ovary हो गया, okay, placenta हो गया. So now let's talk about hormones in detail. So hormones are chemical messengers, right, in your endocrine system, that are secreted directly into the blood, which carries them to organ and tissues of the body to exert their functions. Okay, there are many types of hormones that act on different aspects of bodily functions and processes. इसका मतलब ये है कि हमारे हार्मोन्स का बेसिकली काम ये है कि हम बोलते हैं, राइट, इट्स अ केमिकल रिएक्शन, इट्स अ केमिकल रिएक्शन. सो दैट्स व्हाट द हार्मोन इज, राइट, इट्स अ केमिकल मैसेंजर. इट सेंड्स अ मैसेज to that particular hormone system that this is the function that you need to do when the activation is happening in a layman's language. So that's the hormone का जो main काम है वो है to send the chemical message to your body, entire body, right, because हमारे body में बहुत सारी चीजें होती है एक time पे, including the digestion. So every hormone have their, मतलब खुद का एक अपना अपना काम है सबका. So it is very important to ensure and understand and know, like, what different type of hormones are there and how they help you, like to make your physique efficient. ठीक है, तो मैंने एक लाइक डिटेल्ड, मतलब एक पूरा डिटेल ये डाला हुआ है डिस्क्रिप्शन में, जिसको आप देख सकते हो, लाइक व्हाट आर द डिफरेंट हार्मोन्स. फॉर एग्जांपल एक कॉर्टिसोल हो गया आपका, राइट, एंड मेलाटोनिन हो गया जो आपके स्लीप को रेगुलेट करता है, राइट, आपने सुना ही होगा, बहुत सारे एड्स आते हैं उसके. तो फिर टेस्टोस्टेरोन इज वन ऑफ द, like, हार्मोन दैट हेल्प्स टू give you, stress relief, stimulates development of male secondary sex character and, sperm production हो गए. फिर बाद में थायराइड हो गया, जैसे कि मैंने कहा THS, ओके, जिसका स्टिमुलेट थायराइड, सो जो थायराइड हार्मोन रिलीज करते हैं. ठीक है, ऐसे और भी है, लाइक यू कैन जस्ट गो एंड चेक व्हाट इज इट. मतलब जस्ट आई जस्ट वांट टू सम दिस अप कि मतलब ये जो कंप्लीट प्रोसेस है, इंक्लूडिंग स्टार्टिंग फ्रॉम योर सेल्स, देन योर ऑर्गन सिस्टम्स, देन different types of organ systems, and then like what is the function of which organ system and why are they important, then what are different hormones, like matlab, what are hormones basically, and what are their function, right, what they exactly do into your body. तो ये जस्ट बेसिक्स मेरे को शेयर करने थे, बिकॉज क्या होता है कि काफी टाइम हमें पता तो होती है चीजें, बट लाइक वी डोंट नो it, like we just have a doubt on it, like exactly kya hota hai. But when I started learning it, it really helped me to understand each and everything during my transformation journey, because it's a very long process. But once you understand it, आपको ये सारी चीजें बहुत help करेगी. I know this is not exactly like gonna help you to get a fat loss or to get a like to build muscle or something like that, but these are the basics, guys. These are the basics which you need to understand. और एक बार आप जस्ट इसको एक बार मतलब वंस यू गो थ्रू दिस, नो, आपके माइंड में एक वो पता चल जाता है पिक्चर, ओके तो मैं ये खा रहा हूँ, ओके मैं स्ट्रेस, ओके सो दिस इज लाइक कैसे एक पिक्चर बन जाता है, राइट. सो दैट्स हाउ योर कॉन्फिडेंस ऑल्सो इंक्रीजेस, राइट. एंड या, सो दैट्स ओनली अबाउट this video. I just wanted to give the basics of cells, like कैसे क्या होता है, कैसे हमारा ह्यूमन स्ट्रक्चर एनाटॉमी होता है. और तो नेक्स्ट वीडियो, आने वाले वीडियोस में मैं काफ़ी कुछ शेयर करने वाला हूँ, सो डेफिनेटली कीप एन आई ऑन इट, बिकॉज आई एम गोना टॉक नाउ इन डिटेल. लाइक दिस वाज जस्ट इंट्रोडक्शन ऑफ basics. Now we are going to go deep into what are calories, what are different macronutrients, like why are they important and how do they help you to like ensure that you achieve your fitness related goals, like, and how you can implement those. मतलब आप अपना डाइट प्लान कैसे कैसे प्लान कर सकते हो, आप कैसे कैलोरी सरप्लस में जा सकते हो, कैसे कैलोरी डेफिसिट में कब जाना चाहिए और कैलोरी सरप्लस में कब जाना चाहिए, और उसको एग्जैक्टली exactly कैलकुलेट करके आप इंश्योर कर सकते हो कि हाउ मच वेट लॉस यू कैन डू in what particular period of time, right? So it's all science, so that's why science के related मेरे को एक पहले basics देना था. And going forward we will move deeper and deeper, and I will just help you with a lot of information here. That's the only goal that I have right now. And प्लीज ये शेयर करो वीडियोस किसी के साथ जिसको मतलब लाइक लाइक डेफिनेटली आपको लगता है कि किसी के साथ शेयर करना है, तो शेयर इट विथ योर फ्रेंड्स, फैमिली, and do like and subscribe, and please follow me on Instagram. My Instagram ID is train with Anik. It's there in the description. तो जरूर फॉलो कर लेना, बिकॉज आई कीप शेयरिंग अ लॉट ऑफ फिटनेस रिलेटेड कंटेंट ओवर देयर, तो आपके भी काम में आएगा और अपने दोस्तों के भी साथ आप शेयर कर सकते हो. So thank you so much everyone, and it was nice talking to you. Have a wonderful rest of your day.